Today we are headed out to Bass Island here in beautiful Washington state. As we were driving, we noticed a bunch of cars pulled over along the side of the road. So we thought, why not stop and check out what everyone's looking at? We decided to walk out onto the bridge, and guys, it's honestly kind of scary. You can actually feel the cars shaking the bridge as they pass by. And I took a few steps and immediately turned right around. Nope, that's not for me. So here is a quick tip. When you're visiting Pass Island, you'll notice the parking area is on the left side, but you cannot actually turn left directly into it. So instead, you keep driving straight until you reach the Scenic Vista parking lot. It's way bigger and has a lot more space. From here, you have two options: either park and walk back across the bridge to the island, or turn around and try your luck with limited parking right by the Pass Island itself. Just remember the Discover Pass has to be displayed on your car. Since we already stopped, we figured we'd explore the area and check out any viewpoints. There are a few short trails here, but they are very steep. We didn't really plan on steep hikes today, so maybe next time we'll tackle those trails and see more of what this area has to offer. You can also cross the bridge from under here. So here is the famous Pass Bridge. It's pretty amazing. Its construction began way back in August 1934 and it officially opened on July 31st, 1935. Fun fact, around 700 cars crossed the bridge on its very first day. Can you guys imagine the moment? Alright, so now we are heading back to Pass Island.
I really hope there's a spot open for us, because there's not a whole lot of parking in this place. What do you see?
We've made it to Pass Island. Parking is super tight here, so my husband's figuring that out while I explore a bit. Did you guys know the Deception Pass got its name from Captain George Vancouver on June 10th, 1792? He felt he'd been deceived by the inner waterways, which we now call Saratoga Passage. Captain Vancouver honored Master Joseph Whitby, who actually discovered the passage while leading a small exploration crew, by naming the island Whidbey Island. The Pass Bridge connects Whidbey Island to Fidalgo Island, and honestly, it's one of the prettiest state parks I have ever visited.
Where'd she go?
Lol, I heard my husband looking for me. He spoke in the microphone, and as you guys can see, I just came further down, and he had no idea where I was. As you're exploring around, you'll notice some paths created by the visitors. They can be really steep, so watch your footing. And there are no set trails here, so be careful when you're exploring the area. The best and most unique way to experience this area is by boat tours. On our way here, we passed Deception Pass tours. They offer tours from April to September and even whale watching tours from June to September. I seriously cannot wait to come back here for that in summer.
If you did the full trail, those islands.
You can go up to that island.
See, you see the people sitting there, right? On the green thing, the second green thing. No, if you want to go there, like what you can do is you can go drive there. There's a campground closer to there, lower, and then you come to that beach. This is nothing really, right? You don't have to hike. Do you see my mic connected to that? Yeah, where these people are, that's called and Lighthouse Point. I got a page.
I hate work pages. By the way, we drove through Skagit County on our way here. If you live in Washington, you already know that they are famous for Skagit Valley Tulip Festival, and I absolutely cannot wait for that. Stay tuned because that will definitely be in a future video. And now we are heading back home. Thanks so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed coming along. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more adventures, and I'll see you guys in the next one.